Hey everybody, Derek here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Shadow icon theme. So to start off, you're going to need to go and click on this link here to download the files. There are two different releases, the KDE and the traditional Shadow release. Once you've downloaded it, you can launch a terminal and you can use the command line to do your extraction. So the command is a bit long here, and the reason it's a bit long is because if you extract the archive in the download folder by itself, it's going to inflate into the download folder without a subdirectory, which can muddy things up. So first you need to do make dir to create a folder, followed by the extraction and copy to there. Now I've done it in one line so that you can just write it all out in one go. So that's in the article in the link in the description. But can go ahead and move it, and as we can see, everything is now in the Shadow folder. So we're going to Shadow, you can see all the stuff there. So from here you can just do sudo mv, sudo mv shadow user share icons. And if you want to set it up for a single user rather than how I have it set up for system-wide, you can do that as well. And then once that folder is moved, you can go ahead and access the appearance settings for your desktop environment so that you can set up your default icons to be using Shadow. So let's go to tweaks here, appearance, and we can select in the icon list, we can select Shadow. As we see, we are now using the Shadow icon theme. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I highly recommend checking out this icon theme. It is pretty nice. Anyways, guys, I gotta get going, but I will see you in the next video.